Hi, everyone. Just welcoming everyone to the presentation today. I'm Khalud Beg. I'm your moderator for the day. And I just would like to acknowledge that I'm joining all of you from Ottawa, which is the unceded, unsurrendered, and stolen territory of the Algonquin peoples. I just wanted to welcome everybody to the presentation today, and I hope that you're going to have um, a really good time listening to our presenters and as well a lot of questions to follow up. I do want to encourage people to please use the Q&A function to ask questions, as the Zoom chat is not going to be monitored as well. The presentation you're attending today is Project Lotus, which is a really cool community-based initiative to develop supports for women transitioning from shelter to housing. It's under the umbrella of community-based solutions, and we have three key presenters. Our first presenter is Carla Jacobson, who's a Master's of Science in Occupational Therapy, a PhD candidate, and is an occupational therapist working in mental health at McGill University Health Center. She is a course lecturer in psychosocial rehabilitation at the School of Physical and Occupational Therapy at McGill University, where she's pursuing her PhD. And her research interests include whole person care, equality, and human rights. She's an advisory committee member for Project Lotus, working towards the goal of co creating equitable and sustainable housing supports in the area of women in transition after leaving shelter stay. Our second presenter is Sally Richmond, who's an MBA and an executive director for Logi Femme. I'm sorry if I butchered that because I know that's in French. And it's a Montreal organization that provides supports and accommodations to vulnerable women and children where they can feel at home to heal and rebuild their lives. She has worked for several nonprofit organizations in the UK, where she was born, and in Canada in the areas of forced migration, fair trade, and most recently, homelessness. She is interested in developing long term solutions that help women to leave cycles of homelessness. And then, thirdly and finally, we have Marie Andrea Lord, who has lived experience of homelessness following a difficult life event and a lengthy hospital stay for physical and mental health issues. She found a shelter at Logifam for approximately 1 year and also spent 8 months at Maison Marguerite. She currently resides in social housing and is a member of the advisory committee for Project Lotus. She believes her lived experience is vital to support women in need and in creating services that allow women to take back control of their lives. So, with that, I just want to pass it off to our presenters, and I hope everybody enjoys the presentation. Thank you.